Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Croch- Today we'll be practicing the chain. So first we'll start with the slip knots. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this. Take it off your two fingers, then take this and put it under this loop. Take your hook, insert it through this tail, hold both ends, and pull. If you have trouble doing that, please check out my video about the slip knot. So now we'll hold our yarn. Wrap your index finger around the yarn like this and put your thumb under the slip knot. Now we'll yarn over and pull through this loop. Let's do that again. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. To undo something, pull this tail. So now let's do that again. Wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this. Then take the loop off your two fingers. Take the yarn and put it under this loop. Then take your hook and put it under this tail. Then hold both ends and pull. That is how to make a slip knot. Now, to hold your yarn, wrap it around your index finger and hold the slip knots. Yarn. Now to chain, yarn over and pull through. Let's do that again. Yarn over and pull through. One more time. Yarn over and pull through. To undo it, pull both tails. Now, let's do this by making a slip knot another way. Wrap it around your two fingers and then insert your hook under one and put it like this for another, and then remove your hook. Now you have the pretzel like this, and then take your hook under this loop, hold both ends, and pull, and you have a slip knot. We will hold our yarn with your index finger wrapped around your yarn and your thumb and middle finger holding the slip knots. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. To undo, pull these two ends. That is how to make a chain. So now we're going to make a full chain. So while you're making this chain, make sure some stitches are not smaller than the others, some bigger. It's okay if you do that as a beginner, just keep practicing. To count your chains, you can count them by the V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chains. I'm going to keep on going till we have 20. And 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. To double check, we can count the V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, if you want to make like a bracelet out of these chains as like a beginner project, first you have to hold it up and wrap it around your arm like this. I think I'll do maybe 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. So we should have like 23 chains. You can make this bigger or smaller depending on the size of your hand. So you wrap it around your hand like this and make sure it fits with a little bit extra. So now you slip stitch to the first chain. My first chain is somewhere over here. Insert your hook into this stitch like this, and then you yarn over and then pull through this loop, and then you take your hook and pull through this loop as well. And now you have a chain bracelet. Bye guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.